Hello my dear students, today we are going to discuss about trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. Here we have a sample problem of trial balance of Rajiv and Company on 31st December 1998. So this is a trial balance. In the trial balance, firstly land and building. Land and building comes under asset side of the balance sheet. Plant and machinery also asset side of the balance sheet. Stock is given on 1st January 1998, that is opening stock. Opening stock comes under debit side of the trading account. Sales, credit side of trading account. Purchases, debit side of trading account. Carriage inwards, debit side of trading account. Bad debts is given in trial balance, so it comes under debit side of profit and loss account only. Wages, debit side of trading account. Debtors, asset side of the balance sheet. Creditors, liability side of the balance sheet. Discount received, it is an income, so credit side of profit and loss account. Furniture is asset side of the balance sheet. Discount allowed, it is an expenses, so debit side of profit and loss account. Capital comes under liability side of the balance sheet. General expenses, debit side of profit and loss account. Bank, asset side of the balance sheet. Rates, debit side of profit and loss account. Drawings, it comes under liability side of the balance sheet. From the capital we have to deduct the drawings value. The stock on 31st December 1998 was closing stock value. This is a format of trading and profit and loss account. First heading, trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 1998. Left hand side is a debit side and right hand side is a credit side. So in the debit side, first we have to write down to opening stock. The value is 4173. Next, to purchases 12,733. Next, to carriage inwards 478. Next, to wages 1,227. Next, come to the credit side. Buy sales 20,783. Buy closing stock 4,420. So leave one line space, close the account. In this, debit side total is 18,000. This debit side total is 18,611. Credit side total is 25,203. So credit side is higher than the debit side. So in this we have to write the 25,203, 25,203. For equalizing this balance, we have to deduct 25,203 minus 18,611. We get the value is 6,592. So we got in the debit side 6,592. This is to gross profit. This gross profit should carry to the profit and loss account credit side, that is by gross profit 6,592. Now next మనము ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అకౌంట్ అనేది ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఇన్ ద ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అకౌంట్ ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద ఆల్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్. సో 2 bad debts, 225, 2 discount allowed 824 by discount received 763, 2 general expenses 1338, 2 rates 188. So these items will come in the profit and loss account. Again leave one line space, close the account. In this also, first we have to calculate the total. Debit side total, this total, debit side total is 2,575. The credit side total is 7,355. So credit side is higher value, right here 7,355, 7,355. For equalizing this total, we have to write the remaining balance. For that we have to deduct the value of 2,575 from 7,355. We get the 4,780. So this 4,780 is got in the debit side. So here we have to write it net profit. This net profit should transfer to balance sheet liability side. Now we are moving into the balance sheet. This is a format of balance sheet. Balance sheet of Rajiv as on 31st December 1998. Left hand side is the capital and liabilities, right hand side is the assets. We will not write the debit and credit to the balance sheet. We will write only the liabilities and the assets. So in the liability side, firstly we have to write the capital. Capital, we have an adjustment. So write in the inner column, it is 10,659. To this capital we have to add the net profit. The net profit is in the profit and loss account. We got the net profit. This net profit is transferred to the balance sheet. So in the balance sheet capital we have to add the net profit, that is 4,780. In this problem we have drawings. This drawing should be deducted from the capital value. So minus drawings, the value is 1,855. So from the 10,659 add 4,780 and deduct 1,055. We get 855. We get 13,584. Next we have to write the liabilities or creditors. Creditors, the value is 2,429. Come to the asset side. First we have the land and buildings. value is 2750. Next, plant and machinery 1332. Next is debtors 5445. Furniture 192. Next, bank is 188. Sorry, bank is 1874. And we have to write closing stock also. Closing stock, it is 4420. Make the total. The liabilities and assets will tally. The equal value will come. So the total is 16,013 rupees. 16,013 rupees. Thank you.